Hey, how's it going? Let's talk about the latest crypto news. Crypto's starting to move up and it's kind of doing it quietly. And I did a video yesterday talking about the fact that I had made a statement 4 or 5 days ago that I thought we would see the first week or so of January quite possibly be a little volatile or be a little down. And we've been up a little bit more than I expected, but it's almost like a quiet up. And what I mean by that is, we had a decent day yesterday. We were up 3 or 4% overall. We kind of shaved back some of that early on. Today we're up 1.85. Bitcoin just kind of moving up, incrementally, back up over 98,000 now. Ethereum up, but it's on the 7 day where you can really kind of start looking at and seeing, and it's really happened in the last 48 hours. This move up where we've seen some dramatic, moves up, if you will. Like if you look at Solana as an example, that 7 day number shows a 17%. But what it really is it's really in the last 2 days that the bulk of that has come. So you can see, like, back on January 1st, Solana was trading at 189 and now it's at 217. Okay. So here's some other examples of what I'm showing you. Like Cardano, ADA, right? 2 days, 6 hours, 28%. Okay. XLM, 2 days, 14 hours, 33%. XRP, not as aggressive, 3 days, 20%. All right. And we just, like Solana, we just looked at that. So, the overall market is quietly, air quotes, moving up, but it's really turned on in the last 2 days, kind of towards the end of the 1st of January 1st, and now moving up. So, why is that? I think that people are ready to put 2024 behind them. People are looking towards 2025. I think this is money moving back into the market in anticipation of what we're going to see on January 20th with Trump taking office, with the new SEC commissioner Paul Atkins, celebrating the removal, the going away of Gary Gensler, but ultimately really the removal of the current administration that has been trying to, in all essence, kill crypto for the last 4 years. Okay, so we're putting that behind us. Okay. I like what I'm seeing here on the fear and greed index. We're at a neutral. If it was kind of up to me, we would stay here and maybe move into this light green. I don't really like us being in the dark green, where that's where the fear and greed index calls it extreme greed. I think of it as extreme confidence or overconfidence. If we start to get in there, then we're moving into an overbought scenario, which will ultimately have to result in a correction. Okay, but right now we're in that neutral. We're in that neutral category. So again, overall market looks good, and it's quietly. If you're not paying attention, you're like, oh man, Cardano. I mean, it's up 28% in 2 days, and you can kind of see it across the board. You can look at it and you can look, well, Dogecoin as an example. Dogecoin is up 21%. All right. It's up 11% right now, but the same deal applies. It all really, it turned around 31 cents all the way to 38 cents. It's moved up in just those last 48 hours. So the key is from here is how long is this going to last, right? What I would love to see is tomorrow have another 2%, 3% up day, continuing that. And if we can obviously outweigh the green days versus the red days, I think when we get to around January 10th or so, that's my number. I think we're going to start to see a lot more capital money moving in anticipation of that run up to that January 20th, because I think that crypto is going to become even more front and center in the media, in the talking heads out there online. People are going to start saying, okay, it's getting close. We're really starting to see this new, kind of this new administration, but really kind of new era. That's the word I'm looking for. New era in crypto. All right. So before I let you go, got to remind you, hey, look, if you're looking for a way to make even more money in crypto, that is what my software can help you to do. It's a trading indicator. Look, this is a XLM back when in November, early November to November 24th, 516% up, $2,000 bought here, sold here, would have made you a profit of over 10 grand in profit. The software costs about $1 a day, and there's a 30-day money back guarantee. So you have complete refund control there. And you have zero risk in this, is what I'm trying to say. There's a discount code down there as well. The link's in the description below, by the way. If you're watching this over on X, the link is above. The quarterly option is the cheapest on a daily basis, and $1 is basically what it costs you. You spend more than $1 on stuff that makes you no money. All right. So take a look at it, run it through your own due diligence. But look, this is Cardano. Look right here. Gave a buy alert 2 days ago, up 28%. How would you like to know the perfect time to buy all of these cryptos as they start to take off? And then ultimately, by the way, perfect time to sell, because most people don't have a clue when to sell. And that's what this software does. Buy here, sell here, make a $516 profit. That's 10 grand on a $2,000 buy. XRP, here's another one. So like right here, buy here, you could have sold here, 183% move up. So $1,000 bought would have made you a profit of 1,837. XRP consolidated for a little bit, new buy. So let's do that one. Then a new buy right here, all the way to there, another 82%. Another $1,000 bought would have made you an additional $823 in profit in that scenario. And then, as I told you, XRP is just taken off. So $1,000 bought here would already made you a profit of $208. And oh, by the way, I'm only asking you for $1 a day. Okay. Cardano right there. 2 days ago, 28%. $1,000 bought here, $287 in profit so far. Okay. That's what the software does. It helps you know when to buy, but also when to sell and lock in that profit. So this is how you make short-term profits. It's called swing trading. And this is how you can really, really crush it and make even more money in crypto in 2025. So take it for a test spin. Look, you got zero risk here because of that 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. This is the thank you page after you buy, after you join, again, for about $1 a day. I'm not asking you for a lot here. Invest in yourself, invest in your future, at least try it. This is what you see. These are videos that walk you step by step. Everything you need to do to set it up, okay, is right here. And then those alerts I was telling you about where you can get alerts on your phone, buy here, sell here, there's a 9-minute video. I teach you exactly how to set those alerts up right there, okay? And by the way, you can use it for stocks as well. So let me show you stocks. So this is the Bitcoin chart right there. But like right here, this is the Apple chart. Look at this. So you can see right here, this is the Apple. Kind of show you it working right here. Go right here. Okay, so there you go. So there's a buy all the way to a sell, buy, sell right there. You know, in 50 days, 14% up. But see where it also did, it gave a sell right there and not take a 5-10% loss, right? You see my point. Okay, so it does work on stocks as well. So, all right. Always, I appreciate you. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. 2025 is going to be an absolutely amazing year. I'm excited for it. I think that this is going to be beyond cool. We're all going to make a bunch of money. And, you know, thank you for being part of the channel. I greatly appreciate you. January of 2021 was when I started. So I am 4 years into this. I've been doing this for 4 years. And I love every minute of it. I love being here for you. Thanks for giving me a few minutes. As always, go make some money. I'll see you later. Take care.